Okay, we're going to have a look at text formatting. I've just set up my HTML document with a HTML tag, the header, or the head tags, the title, and my body. Okay, so we're going to jump straight into the body here, and I'm going to put in a heading, and let's just make a text formatting. Okay, the same as we have there for our title. Okay, and we'll just save that and just run it straight away. Okay, so it's aligned to the left by default, and it's a heading. Okay, I'm going to put a tag in here, center, and we're going to put it at the other end there, center. Okay, the center tag goes between the two H1 tags. We save that and refresh our page, and that aligns our text to the center of the page there. Okay, so if we were to stretch that out, it still stays to the center there. Okay. All right. We're going to jump ahead, and I'm going to just put in some items. We're going to have for sale. I'm going to type item. I'm going to type price. Next line, I'm going to type some coffee. Let's make that $4. I'm going to sell some tea. That can sell for, let's say, $3.50 and a sandwich. How much is a sandwich? Let's make it $5. Okay. Now when we save and run that, it doesn't really do anything special. Oops, I've put a % sign there. It doesn't do anything special, but we're going to put some tags in there which are going to make it look a bit nicer. So the first one I'm just going to put in is a horizontal rule, and I'm going to change the size of that. Let's make it 5. We're going to make the width equal to 300. Oops. And no shade equal to no shade. And let's align to the left. Okay, close that tag, and I'm also going to put one down the bottom here. And we're going to type in a tag which is pre, and end the pre tag there. Whoops. Okay, now pre is basically predefined text. So it's, when I refresh this, it's going to change all of this text to be formatted just as it is here. Okay, we might have to jig it around a little bit, but let's have a look. Okay, so perfect. So it's a predefined text. It appears exactly as it does in the HTML document, in a set width font, usually Courier or something like that. And we also have our horizontal rules, which are these grey bars here, which are defined in those tags there. Okay. All right. Next thing we're going to have a look at is a paragraph. And I'm just going to type this is line 1. And then straight after that, I'm going to type this is line 2. Okay. Now we're not going to see much of a difference right now. Oops. Okay. I'll just save and refresh. So this is line 1, this is line 2, but it's all on the same line. Right in the middle here, I'm going to type a tag which is BR. Okay, when we save and refresh, we now have 2 separate lines. Okay, so BR forces the HTML text to jump to the next line. Okay, that's usually done within the paragraph or something like that. Okay, I'm going to type a tag called address. Oops, double D in address. Okay, and my name's going to be John Smith right now. Right, well, let's go BR, so we want a new line, and my email address is email@email.com. Don't try this because it won't work, obviously. And we're going to finish our address tag there. I'm not finishing them properly today. Okay, we'll save that and refresh. Okay, so that's the text we just put in. It's in italics, which is easy to spot out for an address, quite easily readable. Okay. All right, I'm going to make a paragraph. I'm going to fill it with some dummy text, and then I'm going to put in some tags, which are a block quote. Oops. Okay, fill it with dummy text. Next tag I'm going to do is a block quote. Now this is very similar to a paragraph, that's why I've put the paragraph tag in just above, just so we can compare the two. Okay, and we'll fill in with that dummy text as well. Save and refresh. So this first one's a paragraph, a line to the left. This one's the block quote, which is tabbed out by 1 and centered to the page as well. Okay. All right. Now move down from our block quote. We're going to type in. We'll just put in a horizontal rule just there, just to split it up a little bit. And I'm going to type in a heading, and we'll do, this is a horizontal, what am I doing? Tutorial, okay. And alright, I'm going to type in a div tag, and we're going to align to the center. That tag there. And in that div tag, we're going to put in a paragraph. And then we're going to do font size equals 5. Okay, and we're going to type, this is a paragraph. And then I'm going to do, let's do BR. And this is a copy right symbol. And to do that, we're going to type and copy. Okay, and we'll end our font tag, and then we're going to end our paragraph tag. Okay, we'll save that, and we'll refresh it. Okay, looking down, we've got our H3 heading. Oh, sorry, we've got our horizontal rule across here, our H3 heading, and then our div tag aligned to the center, containing a paragraph with this is a paragraph, and this is a copyright symbol with our copyright symbol on the end there. Okay, now our font size is set to 5. If we wanted to change that, we can. So let's put that at 10, save and refresh that, and we can see it's come up bigger again. Okay, all right. Let's have another look at some other stuff we can do. All right, let's make another paragraph. Actually, let's do a whole new div tag. I'm just going to copy that one. And let's align this one to the right. And I'm going to change our, rather than our size, I'm going to change it, change the color. Okay. So we've got hash FF0000. Okay, and save that and refresh. Okay, so the size is a lot smaller because we haven't defined the size, but we've changed the color to a red, and it's also aligned to the right. Okay. Another thing we could do, we'll just copy that text again, and we're going to align this one to the left, and we're going to change the font face. Okay, so I'm going to type face equals Futura and Helvetica. And let's make the colour equal to blue. Now you always want to define two font faces, okay, in case one doesn't work, it has a fallback. And you also want them to be of the same type, so sans or sans serif, okay. And we'll save and refresh, and here we go. We've got our text that's a different font face to the rest, in blue aligned to the left, okay. Alright, so that's all we're going to look at today. Thanks for watching.